Hey there, Dallas Drainage Pros here. Behind me you can see a Tupperware container with a pipe sticking out of it. It's a makeshift French drain system that I built because I want to show you how a French drain actually works. By seeing this in action, I'm hoping it will help better explain not just how a French drain works, but why we install it the way we do. Hope you guys enjoy. So this is a very simple cutout view of what a French drain looks like underground. What we've got here are perforated pipe, gravel, filter fabric, and then we've surrounded the entire system with some nice North Texas clay. This filter fabric is a non-woven geo-textile double punched fabric. It's not something you're going to find at just any hardware store. We buy this from an erosion supply specialty store. You can also usually get it from an irrigation supply store. This gravel is just crushed concrete. The key and important detail is that it's clean. You don't want dust and lots of sediment in here because that'll make the French drain ineffective. The reason for the filter fabric and why you want your gravel to be clean is if sediment mixes with the gravel, it then becomes more of a solid material, and so water can't just filter straight down. Right now, because of that air gap created by the gravel, the water goes straight down to the bottom of our system. And you'll notice the position of the pipe within that gravel. We are pretty much at the bottom where the fabric is up against this pipe. And I'm gonna show you real quick, again, why that is from our demonstration once we add water to this. When you're thinking about the science of how a French drain works, when water absorbs into the gravel trench, it falls to the bottom. The holes don't become effective until that water rises to a level that the holes are at. And so, you think, oh, put the holes up because water falls down, but the reality is those holes are too small to catch water. What's gonna happen instead is 99% of that water is gonna fall around those holes, and the pipe or the water would have to fill up that much higher before the holes become effective. So by putting them face down, we're capturing that water that much quicker as it rises in the system. So you can see how the water actually ends up in the pipe. It's through those perforations that the water seeps in to the drainage pipe. And because the pipe is tilted to one direction, it's flowing away from the camera and not this direction. So in thinking about where the position of the hole should be, lower allows this system, the pipe, to pick up water quicker as it enters the system. You see where the water is filling up this trench. If those perforations were higher up, that much more water would need to be in the trench before it started seeping out. By having those holes at a slightly lower position, this system works even quicker. And you can see just how efficiently this water's getting wicked away from our French drain via the perforated pipe. It goes to show how effective a French drain can be when constructed correctly and with the right materials.